Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line stained glass piece. I'm going to go in first and paint my sunset using the color Florida Orange, and I went in with Honky Tonk Red, and I'm finishing it off with this color Colonel Mustard, and this is also the color I used to paint the sun. Next, I'm going in and painting the grass, and I'm going to use a bunch of different greens, and currently I'm using the one Mint Julep. And again, all these colors are Dixie Belle chalk paint, so if you'd like to purchase them or read more about them, you can check them out on our website, buildacross.com. Now I'm also going to go in with a little bit of evergreen and paint another section. And then I'm going to go in and around the edges, I'm going to paint that in the color Pine Cone. And now that everything's dried completely, I'm going in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline everything. And then once I'm done outlining, I am going to highlight this piece with a number 4 round and the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's White is White, just to highlight everything and brighten it up. And then that will complete my project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.